So guys, papakita ko yung scenario ko sa Dev C++ and sa discrete structure, which is ang topic natin is making a Mobile Legends tournament schedule in Dev Suporok using combination without repetition sa discrete structure and exception handling naman sa advanced C++. So yung scenario natin mag-start siya dito. Every year, a small college holds a Mobile Legends tournament between different college departments like IT, Edu, Business, and Engineering. So yung natin, yung small college natin is kunwari sa Dev Suporok, inaano niya na meron siyang tournament na Mobile Legends, which is kasama yung mga department na IT, Edu, Business, and Engineering. And then, yung sports committee naman, gusto daw nila yung each team daw, meron silang may laban sila, may kalaban sila na iba. This means the schedule must have no repeated matches and a team cannot play with itself. Ibig sabihin, walang ulit-ulit na laban. To make this easier, the committee as a student named Kaitan, which is kunwari ako, who studies information technology in Dev Suporok, to create a C++ program that can automatically make the schedule. Kaitan plans how the programs should work. He decided use combination without repetition to make matchups. So guys, yun nga, yung combination without repetition, ito yung example niya. A versus B, A versus C, A versus D. So, hindi na uulit yung A niyan sa baba, sa kasunod niya. So, B versus C, B versus D, and C versus D. Yun yung combination without repetition. So, nagko-combine siya, may ka-combine siya or may ka-pair siya, pero hindi yung katulad niya or hindi siya umuulit. Each match happens only once. A versus B is the same as B versus A. So, only one of them should appear. This is called combination without repetition. Yung tulad na sinabi mo kanina. Kaitan also wants the program to be strong and safe. So, kunwari gusto ko maging safe yung program and walang error or walang gulo. So, he adds exception handling to catch mistakes. These mistakes include if the number team is less than 2 or kunwari 1 or walang team, mag-stop yung program and papakita niya na invalid input. And then, if a team name is empty, the program should stop and show a message error or team cannot be empty or dapat meron kang ilalagay na team na pataas sa isa or dapat dalawa pataas. If two teams name are the same, the program should show error team names must be unique. Dapat unique or hindi magkaparehas dahil combination without repetition tayo. If any other unknown error happens, it should say unexpected error occurred. He uses a simple try-catch block in C++ to catch these problems. He also writes a function to make the combination. The function uses a loop to pick one team, then match it with all the teams that come after in the list. So, gumamit ako ng dito, ng loop and ng try-catch block para malaman ko kung ano yung magkaka-pair na team or magkakalaban. After finishing the program, Kaitan test it with 4 teams, Tralalera Tralala, Tungtung Sahur, Banini, and Ballerino Cappuccino, which is yung sikat na mga sa TikTok. So guys, ito ilalabas noon sa program. Tralalera Tralala versus Tungtung Sahur, Tralalera Tralala versus Banini, Tralalera Tralala versus Ballerino Cappuccino, Tungtung Sahur versus Banini, Tungtung Sahur versus Ballerino Cappuccino, and Banini versus Ballerino Cappuccino. So guys, walang umulit. And ang tawag doon, and sila, yung mga wala silang kaparehas na kalaban kasi magkakaiba sila ng team. And then the program works perfectly and walang error siya nun. Walang error na lalabas nun. Then Kaitan tries to enter only one team, the program shows the error. Invalid input, there must be at least 2 teams to match. So kung kunwari, 1 yung linagay ko dun sa program or 1 team lang, ang lalabas is ito, invalid input. There must be at least 2 teams. Kasi paano mo mapagpaglaban yung team mo kung iisa lang ilalagay mong team. It tries to enter a block name or 2 same names. The program catches the mistake and shows the right message. The sports committee is very happy. They use the schedule for Mobile Legends tournament. So syempre, nagalingan sila nagustuhan nila yung program and napadala yung trabaho nila. Kaya ginamit nila yung schedule na to para sa Mobile Legends tournament. Everything goes well. Now they plan to use the same program every year. So, ginamit nila tong program na to every year. And Kaitan is also happy because he learned how to use combination without repetition and exception handling in a real-life problem. So, ni Kaitan, or ako, is masaya din ako kasi magagamit ko din siya sa totoong buhay. Kunwari, pag gagawa ko ng game schedule, ng mga laban, and others na kailangan kong gawin gamit ito, itong combination with repetition and exception handling. This simple but smart project helps both Kaitan and the Dagsu Porak to organize a Mobile Legends tournament. Kaitan learned all this from his IT teacher, Sir Kennedy. O ako, natutunan ko lahat to kay Sir Kennedy dahil siya yung teacher ko sa Advanced C++ and sa Discrete Structure 2, who helped him learn the Advanced C++, Discrete, and Discrete Structure. He's thankful to him and wants to learn more in information technology. So guys, yun yung pinaka-scenario ko about dito sa Advanced C++ and exception handling. And salamat sa panonood guys. After nito guys, papakita ko sa inyo naman yung codings. Bye-bye.
Code ko, which is explain ko sa inyo. So guys, yung vector, ito yung nagpapa-array or gumagawa ng nag-iipon ng information about dun sa mga i-output natin. And then, ayan, vector string, get team names, or siya nag-ano ng team name natin, and teams. And yung set naman, siya yung nag-ano na siniset niya na dapat unique yung mga names natin. Ayan o. Dineclare natin na dapat unique ang names natin. For int I0 or I is greater than or less or greater than in n or names plus I. And then enter name for the team. Siyempre, see out natin yan. Then get line, in name. Then while name find first not out string and post, and then nilalabas niya na team cannot be empty. Kasi pag tinype natin na wala tayong linagay na team, ang lalabas ng team cannot be empty. So, babalik tayo dito sa ano na yan. Please enter again. Then, dito na tayo. If name empty, throw runtime error. If naman empty yung name na linagay natin, lalabas siya na error, team cannot be empty. Kasabay nung team net cannot be empty, please enter again. And then, throw runtime error, team must be unique. Tapos naman guys, pag yung team name natin is parehas yung linagay natin sa team 1 and team 2, ang lalabas is ito. Error, team must be unique. So, babalik siya sa return team. Please enter again. Then, after nyan, void, generate schedule. Ayan, game schedule. Lalabas yung game schedule natin pag nalabas na natin siya. Then, after nun, ang gagawin natin, na natin siya, i-declare natin for size I is equal to 0. I is greater than team size. So, lalabas dapat greater than or kahit ilang team yung pwede mong ilagay. And I plus 1. And then, see out team versus team I or yung yung letter A. And then, team J or yung isang kabilang team naman. And then, int main. Lalabas na natin yan. I-output na natin. I-declare na natin. So, ang lalabas is ito, guys. See out. Enter the number of Mobile Legend teams. So, ilalagay natin na may is 4 kasi 4 yung nasa scenario natin na teams. Then, if naman n is greater than or equal 1, throw invalid argument or n is less than or equal to 1. Invalid input, there must be at least 2 teams. So, dapat mataas sa 1 or 2 pataas. Yung dapat natin ilagay. Vector string team, get team names, generate schedule team. So, ayan na. Catch. So, ika-catch nyo yung pagka-throw natin ng error, ika-catch nyo yan. Invalid argument. So, runtime error. Mag-error nun. Babalik tayo. CER or yung character error. And e.what siya yung nag-ano ng information na may error. Then, ika-catch ulit. Ang lalabas is an unexpected error occurred. Okay guys, ira-run na natin siya. So guys, ayan, na-run na natin siya for teams, which is nasa scenario natin. And then, ilalagay muna natin yung team name natin kung saan sa scenario, ano yung nasa scenario natin. Ayan guys, nalagay na natin yung 4 na team natin. And then after nito, enter na natin siya. Lalabas na noon ang game schedule natin. Ayan. Ayan guys, lumabas. Tralala, versus Tungtong Sahur. Tralala, versus Banini. Tralala, versus Ballerino Cappuccino. Tungtong Sahur versus Banini. Tungtong Sahur versus Ballerino Cappuccino. Banini versus Ballerino Cappuccino. So guys, pansin nyo na walang umulit or walang team na nakaschedule sa sarili niyang team. Ang meron lang, magkakaiba sila, magkakalaban sila, and yun lang naman. Goodbye guys.